Anthony, go.
Oh.
Shit.
Can you do it back?
Do a backflip now.
No, that's it.
Go, let's go.
No, that's it. It'd be easy if you walk back.
Oh, you're gonna try to go. Hey, if you could do the trampoline, you could do it here.
Wow, Anthony could do it. No, I don't want that at all.
Are you gonna do it? Yes or no? Alright then.
I want to. Steven has to do it.
Damn, I just got my shit. What? Yeah.
Steven can't do it.
Oh!
Oh.
Hey, it's alright. That's how Anthony felt the first time. Oh. That's a very nice.
I know.
You should charge too.
Huh?
You should charge
No
too.
more, let's go. $1 to see the amazing present. Record that?
Yeah.
Is that one that gets her and the other one that doesn't?
You did it?
The helmet. That you can't land it.
Oh,